Dear students, in the distribution of water supply system, the fourth one is radial system. Radial system means the water will be supplied in the radial direction. In all the direction, the water will be supplied from the reservoir or the tank or the sump. If a city or a town is having a system of radial roads, if the roads are in the radial type, automatically the layouts are situated along the roads. So these layouts or rows which are coming in the layouts, these will be like radials. The radial roads emerging from different center, and the pipelines can be best laid down in a radial method by placing the distribution reservoirs at these centers. From one distribution reservoir, the water will be supplied in the different direction in the radial form is called the radial system. On the screen you can see the main pipeline is situated or laid down at the center vertical pipeline you can see, and from vertical pipeline the water is supplied to the reservoir. 4 points are there, those are the reservoirs. These reservoirs are called as distribution of water distribution reservoirs. From these reservoirs the water will be supplied to the all layouts in radial direction. In this system, water is taken from water mains and pumped into distribution reservoirs placed at different centers are shown in the figure. The water is then supplied to radially laid distribution pipes. The system ensures high pressure and the same quantity of water in the distribution. At the all points, the quantity of water supplied is same, and also the pressure will be the same. In the same pressure, the water will be supplied at the different points, different places. This is the radial type of system. Only here the disadvantage is it requires some place to collect water for construction of the reservoir, tank or sump. And the advantage is easily we can solve the problem when the repairs and all. We can control by controlling one valve, the entire pipeline water can be stopped and the repair work can be attended, and in other direction we can supply water at the time of repair in the particular pipeline. This is how the advantages and disadvantages of the in the radial system. Thank you guys.